comes through, fortune creeping around the bend again. Tumbling towards the floor, why I got this spin. Oh no, I've been here before, for sure, running towards